how to follow someone on Webull app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to follow someone on Webull app. So let's get started. First, open the Webull app with your account. After you open Webull with your account, you'll get this type of interface. From here, you'll have to tap on watch list or community at the top left. After you are in the section My Watch List, at the top right, tap on search icon. From this section, you'll have to just type a username whom you want to follow. Simply search their name. After you search it, and you can easily find that profile from there. Once you open their profile, tap on the follow icon just at below of their name. So simply after you tap on that, you'll be able to follow that person and you'll be able to see their post, traits and share ideas in your feed. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.